Aloha everyone, Derek Tadashi Morishita from SAHARA, Las Vegas. Today we're gonna make Dalgona coffee. So this is like the big craze apparently on Instagram. I don't have Instagram, but my wife Michelle and my good friend Vic from SAHARA, Las Vegas told me about this Dalgona coffee. So pretty simple. It's only like 4 ingredients. So instant coffee, which is crazy. So I actually had to buy this today to do this video. Since I don't have instant coffee, I only have Starbucks at home. So instant coffee, ice, hot water, and sugar, and that's pretty much it. And then either a whisk or a hand blender. So a hand blender I have. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get to this, okay? So it's all equal parts, which is super simple, right? People say they can't make coffee at home or they want to go to Starbucks, but I'm bringing Starbucks to you today, all right? So you enjoy this. So it's all equal parts, like I said. So we're gonna do instant coffee. So 4 tablespoons instant coffee. Have my old school sugar box here from my grandma. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of sugar. This is definitely not healthy, and my brother would not be happy for my health cleanse. And then, so we have 4 tablespoons instant coffee, 4 tablespoons sugar, and then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons hot water. So right before this video, I heated this up on the stovetop. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, pretty simple, right? Now we're just gonna blend it up until it's kind of whippy, and then kind of go from there. If you have a hand whisk, something to kind of note, whenever you tilt the bowl, it's gonna be a little easier. Also, if you use stainless steel, you whip it a little quicker, it's gonna be a little colder as well. So we have a hand blender, so we'll start slow. Alrighty, so as you can see, very frothy, right? Kind of you want that consistency. At least that's what all the Instagram videos I saw online is. So if you're whisking it by hand, what I did notice, I tried this earlier by hand, it takes about 4 to 5 minutes, depends how quickly you are, how much strength you have, if you know what I mean. That's why I did the hand whisker, because I don't have much strength. All right, so next, we're gonna get some milk. I made a huge mess. My wife is gonna be very upset at me today. I'm using lactate milk, but you can use any milk, obviously, 2%, whole milk, fat-free, whatever you want, but I'm gonna use lactate milk today. Fill it up about 2/3 of the way, a little less maybe. We're gonna put a couple ice cubes in here. Hello Kitty spoon for my daughter. And then we're just gonna froth it, toss it on top. As you can see, it has a thick layer, right? Oh, that looks amazing. On top, you can sprinkle cinnamon, cocoa nibs, cocoa powder, whatever you have at home. You can do a little extra sugar, brown sugar, white sugar if you want. Oh man, that's so delicious. It's rich, it's smooth, you get the coffee flavor. It's not overwhelming. It is very strong, just so you know. So the stronger you want, obviously the more you put on, the less milk you'll put on into it. I like it with the ice because it kind of cools it down a little bit. Really good though. It kind of tastes similar to a Vietnamese coffee. Anyone who has had Vietnamese coffee before. Really good flavor though. Amazing what instant coffee can do. Shout out to instant coffee out there. So like I said, for any of those 2 people who are stuck on this lockdown like myself, due to the coronavirus, you know, I hope you're healthy, I hope you're safe. I'll be spending lots of time with your family. And since we cannot go to Starbucks right now or Prendy at SAHARA Las Vegas, make this amazing coffee. So